Magandang umaga mga grade 4 student. Ang lesson natin para sa linggong ito ay tungkol sa order of operations. When we simplify numerical expressions involving 3 or more operations, it is important to follow the order of operations, which is known as PMDAS or PEMDAS. P stands for parenthesis, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and letter S stands for subtraction. PEMDAS stands for parenthesis, multiplication or divide, whichever comes first. Then add or subtract whichever comes first. This means that in cases that there are 2 or more operations present in a formula, PEMDAS is the order that we should follow in solving. If there is a formula enclosed in grouping symbols like parentheses, note that this should be the first one to be solved. Numbers that need to be multiplied or divided come in a second. Addition and subtraction will be next. If other operations are absent, still remember that whatever comes first from left to right in the PEMDAS rule should be solved first. Okay, so let us have an example. Example number 1. The expression is 7 plus 3 times 5. Again, 7 plus 3 times 5. So, kung babalikan natin ang meaning ng PEMDAS or PMDAS, P stands for parenthesis, M stands for multiply, D stands for divide, A stands for add, and S stands for subtract. So, in solving order of operation, first you have to solve the parenthesis, multiply or divide, that will be the second operation that we are going to solve, and then last is add or subtract. Multiply or divide, whichever comes first, and also add and subtract. Kung sino po yung nauuna kay multiplication or division, siya po ang isosolve natin. And also like addition and subtraction, kung sino po ang nauuna sa kanila from left to right, siya po ang uunahin yung isolve. So, dito po sa given example natin, we have 7 plus 3 times 5. So, kung mapapansin mo, we have 2 operations here, the add and the addition and the multiplication. So, based on the PEMDAS, first to solve, or since wala tayong parenthesis here in a given example, the first thing is to proceed now to multiply or divide. Kung mapapansin mo, may multiply or divide ba dito? Yes, we have the multiplication, which is 3 times 5. Kita niyo po yung multiply or multiplication symbol. Okay, so meaning, si 3 times 5 muna ang una nating isosolve. 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, then let us copy. Hindi muna natin sinolve si 7 plus 3 kasi based on the rule, unang ipaperform or unang isosolve si multiplication or division. Susundan pa lang ni addition and subtraction. Okay, next. After natin mag-multiply, 3 times 5 is 15. What's next? So, we have to perform now the addition since wala nang operation na susunod. So, addition na lang po. So, 7 plus 15 is equal to 22. So, meaning, the correct answer for this expression is 22. Okay, let us have our second example. 27 minus 3 divided by 3. So, based on the rule, since wala tayong parenthesis, so wala tayong P. Based on the MD, M multiplication and division, wala tayong multiplication, so division, meron po ba kayo nakikitang division? Yes, eto po, may division. So, therefore, sino po ang unahin natin? Si divide o subtract? Very good. Si divide po muna based on the rule. So, divide po muna, followed by subtraction. Okay, let us divide. 3 divided by 3, the answer is 1. Let us simply copy 27 since hindi pa natin siya na-perform. 27, ito po yung subtraction natin. 27 minus 6 at minus 1. Again, 27 minus 1, the answer is 26. So, that is now our final answer. Next, let us have example number 3. 17 minus quantity 5 plus 4 divided by 3. Again, if we are going to read this expression, 17 minus quantity 5 plus 4 divided by 3. So at first, if we are going to follow, or we need to follow the PEMDAS rule, P stands for parenthesis. So I have noticed here in the given na meron tayong parenthesis. Parenthesis composed of 5 or quantity 5 plus 4. So, parenthesis muna ang una nating isosolve. Kasi, based on the rule, parenthesis first. So, let us solve 5 plus 4. The answer is 9. So, then, the remaining numbers and operation, ikakopy lang natin. Next, after natin masolve yung parenthesis, okay na to. Followed by multiplication or division. Sino ang nauna? Alin man sa kanila ang nauna? Based on the remaining operation, meron ba tayong multiplication dito? Wala po. But, we have the division. Division, ito po yung division natin. So, let us perform this division. 9 divided by 3, the answer is 3. And then, let us bring down the remaining numbers and operation. So, ang natitira na lang po is minus. So, let us perform 17 minus 3. The answer is 14. Okay, so 14 is our final answer. Now, let us have example number 4. 20 or quantity 20 plus 15 divided by 7 minus 5. So, balikan ulit natin ang ating rule. P stands for parenthesis. So, meaning, meron tayong nakitang parenthesis dito. Siya muna ang una nating isosolve. So, 20 plus 15, the answer is 35. Again, 20 plus 15, the answer is 35. Next, based on the rule, multiplication, division. So, walang multiplication. So, meron tayong nakitang division. So, siya naman ang susunod nating isosolve. 35 divided by 7, the answer is 5. And then, meron pa tayong remaining. Since nandito tayo sa addition and subtraction, wala tayong addition. So, let us proceed now to our subtraction, which is 5. Kakopy lang natin. 5 minus 5, the answer is 0. So, 0 is our final answer here. Okay, let us have our example number 5. The given expression is 10 plus 2 times quantity 9 plus 1 minus 7. Again, 10 plus 2 times quantity 9 plus 1 minus 7. Okay, so kung bibilangin natin ang operation na given dito sa ating expression or dito sa ating example number 5, we have the addition, multiplication, and subtraction. Okay, based on the rule, we have to perform first the parenthesis. Okay, since nakakita tayo ng parenthesis dito, which is 9 plus 1, perform muna natin. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, and then copy natin yung remaining operation. Okay, kinapi lang natin itong 10 plus 2 times and then minus 7. Okay, next. What is the next operation are we going to perform? Okay, based on the rule, parenthesis, okay na, done. Next is multiplication. Do we have multiplication here? Yes, we have multiplication which is 2 times 10. Okay, let us proceed now to 2 times 10. 2 times 10 is 20. And then copy natin yung remaining operations and numbers. Okay, so ito na po yung 2 times 10, 20. Next, after multiplication, do we have division? Wala po. Do we have addition? Yes. Subtraction? Yes, we have. But, we have to perform this addition and subtraction whichever comes first, from left to right. Sino ang nauuna from left going to right? Ang nauuna po ay si addition. So, let us perform the addition. 10 plus 20 is 30. Bring down minus 7. And then 30 minus 7, the answer is 23. So our final answer here is none other than 23. Okay. Okay. So, recall tayo. PEMDAS rule. P stands for parenthesis. Once na nakakita kayo ng parenthesis, siya ang una nyo ipaperform. Followed by multiplication, division. So, sa case ni multiplication and division, kung sino ang mauuna sa kanila, from left to right, sila ang isosolve mo. Let's say, for example, mas nasa left side yung ating division, saka pa lang yung multiplication. So, you have to perform first the division, followed by multiplication. Next, same case ni addition and subtraction. Kung sa palagay nyo nauna or nasa left side si subtraction, siya ang una nyong i-perform, followed by addition. Okay po? So, but, sa case po ni multiplication and division, addition and subtraction, lagi pong itong dalawa na ito ang mauuna compare kay addition and subtraction. Okay. Parenthesis first, ito ang una. Second operation na kailangan i-perform, but nakadepende po ito kung sino ang nasa left, siya ang mauuna. And then, third operation, ito yung dapat i-perform na panghuli. Addition and subtraction. Hindi po pwede nating unahin yung addition and subtraction kay multiplication and division. No. We have to follow the rules in order to come up with the correct answer. Kaya nga po may tinatawag tayong series of operation, series. Meron pong series ang pag-solve ng mga operation na yan. Hindi po kung paano-paano lang po at kung ano lang ang makita natin, yun lang isosolve natin. Kasi makakakuha tayo ng wrong answer or maling sagot kung i-insist natin yung mga operation na hindi naka-arrange ng maayos or wala sa tamang order. Okay po. So, that is our series of operation or order of operation. Yan po yung lesson natin for this week. Okay. So, papakita ko po sa inyo kung ano po yung mga activity na gagawin niyo po sa bahay. Okay. So, first is the starter on page 129. Sabi po dito, based on the instruction, which operation should be performed first in each of the following? Write the name of the operation. Again, which operation should be performed first in each of the following? Write the name of the operation. Let us have number 1. So, sagutan natin yung number 1. Okay, number 1, the given is 17 plus 20 divided by 5. Ito po yung number 1 natin. 17 plus 20 divided by 5. Ito po yan. Ang instruction po is, anong operation daw po ang ipe-perform natin or una nating ipe-perform based on the given. Sa palagay niyo po, from this given expression 17 plus 20 divided by 5, sino ang una nating ipe-perform? Is it the addition or si division? Okay. The answer for this, ang magiging sagot niyo po dyan ay division. Based on the instruction, you have to write the name of the operation. Ang operation na ipe-perform niyo po muna dito sa given expression na to ay division. Hindi po pwedeng si addition. Because you have to apply, again, i-apply niyo po ulit yung PEMDAS rule. And based on the PEMDAS, nauna si addition, si multiplication and division, followed by addition and subtraction. So, since wala po ditong multiplication, si division po meron tayo. So, si division po ang final answer. Again, so for number 1, item number 1, 17 plus 20 divided by 5, the answer for that is division. Okay, so number 1, ginawa na natin. Or example na natin yung number 1 para alam nyo na kung paano nyo sasagutan yung remaining item dito sa starter. Okay? So, next. Next is reinforcer. Simplify the expression in starter. Follow the PEMDAS rule. So, sasagutan nyo po ito. Isisimplify nyo po ito. Halimbawa, ito pong number 1 na sinagutan natin. Ang sabi nyo, unahin natin si division. So, magbibigay po ulit ako ng example para sa reinforcer. Ito po, sa reinforcer. 17 plus 20, sabi natin ang sagot natin sa starter is division. Ito naman po sa reinforcer. Okay, sa reinforcer naman po, sa page 129 pa rin, sabi, simplify the expression in starter. So, ito po, lahat po ng expression na yan, isi-simplify nyo na po. You have to follow the PEMDAS rule. Okay, so since number 1 is done for you, ginawa na natin para may example ka sa ating starter. Next, gagawin din natin yung number 1 for reinforcer. 17 plus 20 divided by 5. So, sabi natin, we have to perform first the division. 17 plus 20 divided by 5. So, si 20 divided by 5 muna, the answer is 4. And then, copy natin. 17 plus 4. 17 plus 4 is 21. So, the answer for reinforcer number 1, ang sagot po dito ay 21. Okay? So, yan po ang inyong activity for this week. Next is, magbibigay rin po tayo ng example para po makasunod kayo sa Challenger. Okay, next activity on page 130, Challenger. Solve the following. So, for number 1, so you have to find out the value of this expression. Iso-solve nyo siya, again, by using or by following PEMDAS rule or PMDAS rule. So, for number 1, we have 8 times quantity 7 plus 5. So, iso-solve nyo po si 8 times quantity 7 plus 5. Okay, we have, I'm going to answer number 1. 8 times quantity 7 plus 5. Okay, so solve na natin yung number 1 ha, sa Challenger. Challenger po ito. Now, on page 130. 8 times quantity 7 plus 5. At first, let us perform the parenthesis. 7 plus 5 is 12. And then, copy natin. Okay. Next. Next. Mag-proceed na tayo sa multiplication. 8 times 12 is 96. Okay. So, our answer for Challenger, page 130, number 1, is 96. Okay, so, yan po yung example natin for Challenger. Challenger A, solve the following. That is number 1. 96 po is the correct answer. Next, let us proceed to Ito po. Challenger, page 130 ulit. Letter B, copy each of the following, then insert grouping symbols in each expression to find the answer indicated after it. Again, ulitin ko po ang instruction. Copy each of the following, then insert grouping symbols in each expression to find the answer indicated after. Paano pong gagawin natin dyan? For example po, 7 times 8 plus 2 is equal to 70. So, you have to insert a grouping symbols, yung parenthesis po, open and close parenthesis, saan po ba nararapat dyan para mag-equivalent siya ng 70. Example po, yung number 1. Or yung example mismo, see, 7 times 8 plus 2, equivalent daw siya sa 70. How? Paano po ba nangyari yon? So, based on the given example, 7 times quantity 8 plus 2 is equal to 70. Tama po ba? Tingnan natin. 8, dito po siya naglagay ng parenthesis kay 8 plus 2. Para daw po, or to make it 70. Tingnan nga natin, 8 plus 2 is 10. Copy natin si 7. 7 times 10 is 70. Therefore, 70 is equal to 70. Tama nga po na ang grouping symbols na pinaglagyan ay nasa 8 and 2. Okay, so yan po yung gagawin yung pagsagot. Maglalagay kayo ng parenthesis kung saan nababagay para maging equivalent niya or para maging tama yung number na naka-indicate doon sa inyong libro. Let us have example number 1. So, bukod po dun sa binigay na example, sasagutan din po natin yung number 1. Ang number 1 po sa Challenger B ay 9 plus 16 times 3, then 57 po ang indicated number. Okay, so 9 plus 16 times 3, the answer is 57. So, ano ang grouping symbols or nasaan ang grouping symbols? Saan natin dapat ilalagay? Okay, kung ilalagay ba natin dito kay 16 times 3 ang grouping symbols, correct po kaya? Tama po kaya na makukuha nating sagot ay 57? Check natin. 16 times 3 is, solve natin. Again, 16 times 3 is 48. So, let us copy yung remaining nating operation which is add and 9, yung number natin. And then, 9 plus 47, the answer is 57. So, magkamukha po tayo ng nakuhang sagot. So, therefore, ang parenthesis natin, ang tamang sagot o ilalagay natin sa 16 and 3. Paano kaya kung ilagay natin kay 9 plus 16? Tingnan nga natin kung ang magiging sagot din ay 57. 9 plus 16, ganyan, times 3. 9 plus 16, the answer is, again, 9 plus 16, the answer is 25. Okay, 25 times 3, the answer is 75. So, as you notice, nung kinumpare natin, mali po ang naging sagot kapag ka ang parenthesis mo ay nasa 9 plus 16. Dapat ang parenthesis mo ay nasa 16 times 3. Okay, that is the difference. Kaya po pina-follow natin yung order of operation, nakakakuha tayo ng sagot pero mali. Kagaya po nito, instead na 57 ang lalabas, dahil mali po ang grouping symbols, 75 po ang lumabas. So, kapag ka ito ang ginawa mo, mali na po ang makukuha mo. Mali ka na po, mamamali ka na. Okay, so, yan po ang mga activity natin for this week. Hopefully po ay nakasunod po kayo, and if there any question or clarification, feel free po na i-message ako or i-chat po ako. Basta po, ang wini-wish ko lang po, sana po ay on time po kayong nagsusolve, on time po kayong gumagawa sa math or sa kahit na anong subject para hindi po kayo nahihirapan, hindi po kayo nagraratel sa mga activities. Usually po kasi may mga times na napapansin po namin na pag Sunday na po, medyo nagmamadali na po kayong mag-message or ano. So ngayon po I suggest na kailangan kapag may pinagawa po ako sa inyo, ipasa nyo po on time. Okay, so that's all for today. PM nyo lang po ako or message nyo lang po ako, grade 4. Okay, so take care everyone. Ingat po kayo. Salamat po sa inyo and bye-bye!